A curious tabby fiddles with a glowing, ancient collar in a dusty attic. With a flash, the cat vanishes. The collar transports the cat to ancient Egypt, where he is mistaken for a god by worshipping humans. He enjoys the royal treatment, until a mischievous monkey steals the collar. The cat chases the monkey through bustling markets, narrowly avoiding chariots and sandstorms. Just as the cat retrieves the collar, the monkey activates it, sending them both to the future, a high-tech city filled with flying cars. The monkey escapes again, and the cat must outsmart robots and drones to catch it. The cat finally grabs the collar and returns home, only to find the monkey has hitched a ride. The monkey steals a banana from the kitchen as the cat sighs, realizing his adventures are far from over.